Hi everyone, my name is Carmelo, and today I am going to speak about how to be creative and do great things with your hands. Let's start, friends. Good afternoon. Today I want to show you the most important steps that you certainly did not know in order to be a completely creative person and do wonders with your hands. The first thing you have to keep in mind is that you don't need to be born being creative to be creative. It is a skill that you can acquire as time goes by. The second is to have a mind freed from stress and tension. You need a totally free throat from this. To start doing it, just think positive things. Draw in your mind what you want to transmit with your hands. Focus on the objective. And how we go to the third step. Practice. The most difficult steps it's almost always practice. First, you need materials, things with which you will make your creations, such as plastic. You can use recyclable material, paper, scissors, paints, colors, among others. You can start creating with basic things, not necessarily complicated things. I hope this tip have helped you a lot. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next.